Okay, today we're going to take a look at a new Zippo that will probably go into my top 20. Now this one comes in a larger box with the nice sleeve on it. Now this is a double size box. Here's a normal Zippo box, and you can see that one is a double size. And the label on it says Elegant Dragon Design. It's a genuine Zippo, made in Bradford, PA. And there's the bigger box. It also says Elegant Dragon Design. So here is the Zippo. It is a Armor 360 degree multi-cut engraving, and it is their Z luxury line, and you can see it's got those little mirrors on the left and the right to show the engraving. It's a really good presentation, and that color I would say is a light green. You might call it a sea foam. It's kind of blue-green, but you can see the nice engraving all the way around. And this is an Armor Zippo, and it's engraved on all sides except the top. That's a mirror finish on the top. Got a really good sound. Now this was made in, looks like E of 19. Which I believe is May of last year. And on the lower right you can see the Armor stamp, the little A in the shield with the flame on top. Pretty good stampings. Lights up nice. And I think we can even do a drop test on this Green Dragon. So that is the Green Dragon Zippo, the Elegant Green Dragon. And like I said, I'll probably go into my top 20 in that nice presentation case. I think I have probably, maybe 6 or 8 of those luxury line Zippos. And I guess we could use a little cowbell. And maybe a little more. Knuckle bomb.